Believe it or not, it's a sunny day. I'm out here with Mark from Carbs Outdoors. We're going to get a little fire going in this pit here. And I'm going to have to watch myself because I forgot to charge my camera before we came out.
So, I have this question regarding battoning, and it's a simple question, is why do you care if I baton or not? I mean, this is my knife. I can baton with it or not, because I don't care if you baton or not with yours. So, you know, so why do you care if I baton with mine? I mean, this is my property. So, I mean, no one's twisting your arm to baton or not. I mean, if they were, you know, I would defend your right to not baton. It's like, hey, you know, quit twisting his arm. He doesn't want to baton. Leave him alone. You know? I suppose when it comes, you know, I suppose if I asked to use your knife and I started hammering it through a piece of wood and you didn't want me doing that, then I could see you being mad. But for otherwise, you know, what do you care if I do it or not? I mean, when it comes to survival, I mean, isn't that my choice? I mean, I'm not putting your life at risk by batoning if I chose to or not. So, you know, just some food for thought, probably a quick video. Just why do you care? I mean, maybe it's not the way you would do it, but, you know, the whole world is made up of different people who like doing things, everyone likes doing things a little bit differently. So, I got no problem batoning. It's not like I'm a big advocate for batoning or anything, but it's like, you know, this is my dirt time. I'm not here for me, doing what I enjoy. And a few things I don't enjoy. I just got done picking up a bunch of litter. I mean, if people would put as much energy into littering, or again, you know, picking up litter, they did, you know, with batoning and other subjects that really aren't changing anybody's opinions that I can see. I mean, if you baton, you're still going to baton whether or not so-and-so says you shouldn't. So, yeah, just some food for thought, I guess. Alright, well, let me know what you think in the description, and as always, have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.